Silicon Valley trip has allowed me to meet some amazing peers, some peers that think like me, that want to innovate and have entrepreneurial goals just like me. I think it was a fantastic experience that I don't regret it whatsoever.
Like I met so many amazing people here, so many cool people from U of I. Like almost, I mean, everyone's from U of I here. Alumni, current students, current grad students. All the people that I met, it's really valuable, I think, the friendship. And also, like I've made some really good friends on this trip. So I just love that fact. And I think if we keep in touch, we can make something amazing together.
I do think the Silicon Valley trip has definitely made an impact on my educational and career goals. I mean, I knew coming into this, entrepreneurship is something I wanted to pursue, but coming here, seeing these individuals, seeing their realities, it's really just affirmed that belief inside me that this is something that I should go for.
I think this trip has helped my understanding of entrepreneurship in that seeing people who are currently doing it and like hear the words from their mouths kind of leaves an impact more than reading it from like a pamphlet or a book might, and like the sheer variety of people we've met and listened from.